everything.
Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right back into CodeCombat Backwoods Forest. We're on Thumbbiter right now. So, let's jump in and see what's going on. Lure the ogre to his doom. Alright. CodeCombat is 100% open source, I like that. Alright, alright, so we're using the double equals property. This is like what it means to be loosely equals. So the difference between a double equals and a triple equals is the loosely equals means that the string number 2 rather, would be okay, would pass if it was equal to the integer 2, the number 2. So let's go ahead and get started here. So what we want to do is we want to move this guy to right here. So if 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, so if this statement is true, say, hey, if 2 plus 2 is equal to 5, let's just run it and see what it does.
You're talking to me.
So like this isn't true. Let's go ahead and change that. Try it again.
You're talking to me.
Modesty.
What?
Change the condition. So we just want to change this to 6 and make this true. We can go ahead and change that as well. Add one more taunt to the logo. So here we're going to say hero.say come at me, bro. And don't forget our semicolon, so this should be good.
You're talking to me.
Modesty.
Hey, I'm coming down there to kill you.
Oh, what's up, son? Alright, so not too bad. We just are using the equals operators now. Alright, we didn't get any items, just the general experience. Gems or death. So we'll be using basic syntax, arguments, if statements, arithmetic, and variables. So our goal here is to grab all the gems. Make the if statement true for commands you want to execute. So we want to get all the gems, and we want to use our if statements. So interesting. If statement code only runs if it's true. Fix all the if statements so that they're true. So this is true. Just fix all the if statements to be move to the first line. So we don't want that to be true. Make this true. Move to the first gem. It means is not equals to. So not equals, meaning does this not equal 4? That is a true statement, so it's going to return false. So if we want to not change the not equals, we can change that to 5, because 2 plus 2 is not equal to 5, which is a true statement. So means less than, so it's 2 less than 3, yeah. 2 plus 2 less than 3, that's false. But if we change this to 5, that's true. Make this false, 2 is less than 1 is false. And then if true, we can just simply change that to if false. And if make this true, we can simply change that to true. Now, assuming I did everything correct, we should be alright. It's really just more of understanding. Boom, son. Understanding the statements here. So you have the not equals, you have the less than, you have less than, and there's not equals, greater than, less than. All the normal things that you would expect when comparing something in an if statement. Alright, so far so good. Now we're doing village guard. Defend a village from a marauding munchkin mayhem. Whole lot of M's going on in there. Stop all the ogres, save all the peasants. Patrol the entry points using an if statement to check for enemies. Alright. Move to the right entrance. Find the right enemy. Use if to attack if there's a right enemy. Okay. So we have our wall true here. It says hero.move xy, left enemy. If left enemy. So what we can do here, I don't know why they have this Oh, we're within there. My mistake. I was like, oh, we're not in the while loop. So all we're doing here is creating a, we'll say a right enemy. Actually, let's move first. So we want to target our hero and say, look, take our hero object and we want to move it to 6134. The coordinate 6134. There we want to create an enemy. We'll call him right enemy. Follow the convention that they have set here, and we want to find the nearest enemy. And then if this guy exists, if right enemy, so this is only going to run if he exists, because null and undefined returned false, so that's why it doesn't run. So if right enemy, we want to hero dot attack, and then we'll put right enemy. It's going to run that. So move to the left, attack something. Move to the right. Oh, we should have. All right, we should have actually put 2 attacks on here. Because if you remember, most of these guys die with 2 attacks. So let's go ahead and run that one more time. Bam. Move to the right, attack. Keep it going back and forth. Levels are randomized, so you have to see. Yeah, I'll have to see if you win in real time.
Click the submit button to try and beat the level.
Alright. That's kind of cool that the levels are randomized. Alright, cool. Not too bad. Just really kind of understanding what it is you're trying to do with your if statement. So, in the next video, we'll get started on the back-to-back. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and support me on Patreon. Check out wayup.com. It's a great way to find full-time jobs, internships, part-time jobs, and one-time freelance work for the college student. All you need is a .edu email. It's completely free, and you'll help me out in the process too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.